A Russian Baltasar is in town, and he's trending all over social media in Ghana. You know why? Because he will record himself as he meets different Ghananian women and flirts with them. Not only flirting with them, he will tell them, I want to meet you, and they will come to his hotel room and he'll have his way with them. You can imagine an African man doing this thing in Russia. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to DVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella, where I give you what's in the happen online. You need to see this video and all the series of what he did. Ghananian women, he chop all of them. He make sure he chop up everybody. See.
Today's Where are you from? Hello.
Oh, I'm from New York, but she's from
New York?
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You live here?
Yeah, I live here in Ghana.
I need Marina Mall. I want to find boat driver.
Both. Okay.
But busy.
You want me to order for you? Try Uber too.
Let's go to Marina Mall.
You want to order to Marina Mall?
Yes. Okay, I would like to see you in the evening.
What?
In the
Is that your
evening.
wife?
In the evening.
That's your wife.
No, I'm alone.
You want to see me in the evening?
Yes.
Why?
I'd like to know you better. I like how you look. You look great.
Kumba.
Text my number. I have Russian
No.
number.
No.
Why? Are you married?
No, I'm not married, but no.
Not. Okay.
Let me check it and then.
One moment. Text me in WhatsApp. Thank you.
Yeah.
You live here?
Yes.
I too. I live here 2 days. Where are you going?
We're going back home.
Back home.
Yeah.
I would like to see you in the evening.
Maybe exchange contact.
WhatsApp?
Yes.
Where are you going?
Fine yourself.
I'm sorry?
I'm fine yourself.
I'm fine. Where are you going?
I'm heading to how do you call it? Assignment. You know assignment?
No, I know.
Around 10.
Yes. You live in Tema?
No, that's not where I live. I'm going to my grandma.
Okay, come with me.
What? To work?
I show you one thing, one place.
Where? What is it?
I don't know. What is this?
I don't know.
Okay,
No idea.
text me when you finish.
Okay, sure. Give me one.
I have Russian number.
Okay.
Yeah. Why are you going? To the bathroom?
The pool.
Ah. How old are you?
Me?
Yes.
I'm 25.
Ah. You look very good.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Joy?
Nice to meet you. I'm Vyacheslav. I'm from Russia.
Oh, me, I just came in from Nigeria.
Sorry?
I just came in from Nigeria. Nigeria.
Nigeria. Oh, Lagos.
Yeah.
I want to go to Lagos.
I don't have. I just came in. Not. I don't have a number.
Text your number.
Okay, Nigeria number.
Yes, WhatsApp.
Okay.
I text you later.
2, 3, 4.
A few moments later.
Hello. Come. Come with me.
You can imagine how the guy was recording every video, every dealings with them. They say that he will go to Accra Mall, like ShopRite Mall, like that, and be taking on the streets, and be using hidden camera and be taking videos. And you see how he approached them. He approached number one, even married women with kids, and they'll visit him in this hotel. They say it's over 100 women. The Russian guy. The sources say that the women are paying him $5 per view. These women are paying him $5 per view, and he's selling these videos on Telegram. You can imagine, he's selling the videos on Telegram, and then people, Ghanaian men, come they vex, say why Oyibo go come their country, come they chop their women for free. The women go they pay. Even the Ghanaian women are now supporting the ones. They say they want to go and collect money. That's what the streets are saying in Ghana now. Eh? People are saying, is he trying to do a revenge porn on African women? And this thing shows you how people and how vulnerable women can be. Once women see Oyibo, that's why I tell you, see, women are very vulnerable. Why would they follow Oyibo? Why? Ghanaian men are they not men enough for una? Are they not men enough? You can imagine this Ghanaian Russian human being. Russian Baltasar go they chop Ghanaian women for free. Then they pay them. He full internet. He full there. I put the video one after the other. The guy they happy as he chop them. He chop number one. He chop number two. He approach them. Say, how old are you? I put everything for you to see. You can imagine people are now saying that it's content. How does this look like a content to you? You know one thing, people don't know that this new Meta glasses, you can record with it. And that's what he's using to record these women, these ladies. You now be recording as Oyibo, as African women. Don't see Oyibo, you go the mumu. Your mumu button is now automatically on. That you don't know yourself again because, okay, do you think this guy will marry you? This is why they say women are vulnerable. This Malu will marry you and now take you to your family or his family. You think this one no wise? Oyibo don't wise though. They say he did not even only do this thing in Ghana. He said he did this thing in Gambia, all African countries. So Nigerians, please brace yourself. Nigerian ladies, brace yourself because another Baltasar Egunga is targeting to come to town for Valentine's Day. For people that are looking for husband, this Oyibo guy is on the loose. And he's looking for who to take to his hotel room. And mind you, Meta glasses is on the market. So if you don't know it now that people can record with their Meta glasses. However you feel about this video, drop your comments on the comment section. Let's continue because this gist is a very hot topic. This is why I tell you, say women are vulnerable, and when they see Oyibo, their mumu button is automatically on. Subscribe.